Do you want to start your day with more confidence and be and feel ready to face any challenge and actually be encouraged with it? Then this short routine is very helpful for you to start every day with confidence, and instead of fearing situations that might happen, actually feeling brave, empowered, and ready to learn through the challenges that are presented in our everyday life. Hello, my name is Anne, and today we're going to do a short breathing technique that's going to help you to be more courageous and confident. So take a comfortable seat, and maybe if you want to put some music like your power song or find a song that helps you to invoke the energy, you can always complement it to this video. Find a comfortable seat, and of course you can do it standing as well. Make yourself big and courageous by pulling your shoulders back and down and opening the chest. And you can just place your hands down on your legs, or maybe even place one on your belly to really connect with your center and your physical body, and one with your heart to open the chest. Then sit up tall, close the eyes or look to one point ahead, and start to connect with how your breath is flowing naturally. Bring awareness to the thoughts as they are often swirling around in our field, and instead of pushing away thoughts, try to center into the breath and just notice them without attachment. Notice the pulling away of the energy and the awareness to the outer world as you start to invoke and invite a greater awareness to your inner world. Starting to deepen the breath a slight bit as you inhale and exhale, bringing awareness to this physical body, to this physical moment, and the capacity to be fully present and aware in this moment. Starting to deepen the breath and counting the breath like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then exhale, 2, 3, 4. Find this rhythm and breathe into the belly, in, chest, side, body. Exhale fully, chest, side, belly, side, body, belly. And continue. So first the breath moves into the belly and then into the chest and sides. And it first moves out of the chest and then out of the belly as you sit up straight. Take a few more of those breaths and keep counting. As you increase your awareness on your physical body on an in-breath, and awareness on your physical space that you are sitting here and connected to the ground on an out-breath. And as your chest opens and you envision a sense of light, feeling as if your body is light every time you inhale, and is heavy and centered as you exhale, you start and connect with the energy of confidence. Maybe remembering a moment that you felt really confident, you felt present, you felt empowered. If that doesn't work for you, just really connect to the present moment and allow this present moment to be a portal to that confidence. Allowing thoughts still to have the tendency to move outward as you pull your energy more inward. And we're going to start to add a retention of breath. So you're going to inhale again fully, and this time you're going to hold the breath and feel the boundaries of your body. Feel yourself expansive and light. And then exhale fully and keep up sitting upright. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold breath, be confident. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, belly, chest, side body. Hold. Exhale, chest, side body, belly. Few more times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Then inhale. Hold a bit longer. Feel yourself here. Proud of showing up. Ready to face any challenge. Honoring your capacity to be present, and release on a full sigh out through the mouth. And take 3 grounding breaths again, inhaling same way. And exhaling completely as you meditate on your navel, your center of the physical body. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then stay with the breath, stay present in the body, and say to yourself one thing that helps you to confront, to move the day, move through the day with more confidence, such as challenges make me grow. I am ready to face this day. I'm ready to move with more confidence. I trust myself and I'm fully ready. Then you can gently release the hands, open your eyes, and stay very close to this exercise as you move through this day with an increased sense of presence and grace. Thank you.